Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about CNFANS coupon codes and how to use them. So for that you'll have to go to Google and write CNFANS coupons, and you'll see plenty of websites with coupons. So I have opened this jadeship.com. So as you can see, this is the website. So if you come down, you'll see that if you register and claim your bonus, you will get $129 worth of shipping coupons. And instant code, you can use this Jadeship, which is a 15% single-use discount coupon. So for the best coupons, my suggestion would be to go to Google and search for them like this, because these coupons has some expiration date. So this one could be expired if you are using later from this date. So okay, from that we'll have to copy this to use this. So I've copied it to my clipboard. So we'll go to cnfans.com, and as you can see, I have logged in already. We'll press on my profile icon and go to my account. And after that, you will see in the user center, you'll see this please enter redeem code. So we'll have to paste the code here and then press exchange. And after you press exchange, you will see coupon used here. It will come at here, and if your coupon is available, you'll see it here. And if it is expired, you'll see it in this step. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.